Well, some breaking news now coming in. The US President Donald Trump is threatening sanctions on Russia now. He says he's considering sanctions on Russia. He says that Russia and Ukraine must come to the table to talk on a peace process. And all of this comes at a time when Trump says that Russia is absolutely pounding Ukraine in the war presently. Remember, the United States has already stopped the supply of intelligence and military aid to Ukraine. This is what Russia is doing in the interim period. Will they get to the table soon? My colleague Disha joins us for more on this. Disha, what are the details of this letter? What are the details of what Trump is saying with sanctions?
Absolutely major development when it comes to the Russia-Ukraine war and what Trump has been saying about both Russia and Ukraine, now taking on Truth Social and saying that given Russia's recent attacks on Ukraine, he is now considering sanctions on Russia. A major, huge message, something that in the last couple of months since Trump has returned to the White House, he has not mentioned giving sanctions, putting sanctions on Russia. Now, this is a major development and comes at a time when US and Ukrainian officials are expected to meet in Saudi Arabia next week to discuss a means to end the war as well as the US critical minerals deal. And now Trump saying that he's putting pressure on both sides, on Russia as well as Ukraine, to make sure that they come on the table and figure out a way to end the war and come to a peace deal, which is what Trump has been trying to achieve since even before taking office in January. He said that he vowed to end the war in Ukraine within 24 hours, and now we can see that he's really pushing not just Ukraine, because in the past week since the Oval Office clash between US President Zelensky, US President Donald Trump and Ukraine President Zelensky, there was quite a lot of US pressure on Ukraine, as you mentioned, stopping aid as well as intel sharing. And now we can see that similarly, US President Trump is putting pressure on Russia and President Putin to come to the table and negotiate a peace deal. Back to you.